Hi dear students, how are you? I hope all are study well. Keep it up. If you face any struggle in your study, tell us. We are ready to clarify it. Okay, let's come in our lesson. Have you remember this picture? We know very well Jurassic Park film. In this film, you might have noticed insert embedded in a transparent substance called amber. Amber is a plant secretion which is an efficient preservative that doesn't get degraded and hence can preserve remains of extinct life forms. The amber is produced by Pinnates succifera, a gymnosperm. In this class, we shall discuss in detail about one group of seed-producing plants called gymnosperm. The term of gymnosperm taken from Greek word gymnos naked, sperm seed, naked seed producing plant. Naked seed producing plant is nothing but its seed is open. Gymnosperm family groups of plant is evergreen, woody trees or shrubs. Evergreen is nothing but fully green in color of leaves. Some are lions. Gymnosperm groups of family plants have done symbiotic association. What is meant by symbiotic association? Symbiotic association is nothing but it's a relationship between any other organisms. In symbiotic association, both are get beneficial. Cycas and blue-green algae both are get benefit. And also gymnosperm groups of family plants aerial, erect and branched or unbranched with leaf scars. Aerial means these kinds of plants grow very height. This is a aerial. Gymnosperm groups of plants have two types of branches. One is limited growth and another one is unlimited growth. Look at these pictures. Gymnosperm family have three types of leaves. One is dimorphic, foliage and scale leaves. Scale leaves is nothing but first picture is a scale leaves. Then second picture is a foliage leaf. Okay. These are the another characteristics of the gymnosperm family. Secondary growth is present. So it lead to the ring of ear. Then they are heterosporous. Different types of spores it will be produced. Then male and female cones are present here. Anemophilous pollination is present here. Look at this picture carefully. This is the life cycle of gymnosperm plant. Here male reproductive parts is a cone. These are differentiate between gymnosperm plant and angiosperm plant. Gymnosperm plant have not vessels, then angiosperm plant have the vessels. Then phloem lack companion cells in gymnosperm, but the companion cells are present in the angiosperm plants. Then ovals are enclosed within the ovary in the angiosperm and ovary are naked in the gymnosperm plant. Already we talk about the name of gymnosperm. Gymno is a naked, sperm is a seed. So it's a naked seed producing plant. So ovals are naked in gymnosperm plant. Wind pollination only. So through the wind only it can reproductive. But here insect, wind and animals act as pollination agent. Double fertilization is present in angiosperm, but double fertilization is present in gymnosperm. Look at this tabular column carefully. It is the economical importance of gymnosperm. Gymnosperm groups of family plants also benefit in our life in commercially. Most of the plant help whole plant. For the example, cryptomeria. It's a cryptomeria is help to whole plant for ornamental plant and floral decoration. Then some plant give useful pot of wood. Then other some pots produce the sago. For the example, cycas groups of family produce sago. It is used to starch. Then some plant produce the resin. It's a help to paper sizing and varnishing. Then some plant is used to drug. Then some other plant used to make soap, varnishing and printing ink. Some other plant used to make a paper, because the gymnosperm plant family is a woody plant. So these wood is help to make the paper shining, then printing the ink. Then some plant is used to perfume. For the example, Sedius alternatica is produced the oil. This oil help to use perfume. Paleobotany in India. The National Wood Fossil Park is situated in Thiruvangarai, a village of Villupuram district of Tamil Nadu. The park contains petrified wood fossils approximately 20 million years old. The term from genera is used to name fossil park because the whole plant is not recovered as fossils. Instead, organs or parts of the extinct plants are obtained in fragments. Through this way, the whole part of the plant used to us. Some of the fossil representative for different plant groups are given below. Paleobotany is described by Professor Birbal Sahib. Therefore, father of Indian paleobotany is Professor Birbal Sahib, and Birbal Sahib Institute of Paleobotany is located in Lucknow. Look at this picture. These are angiosperm plants. Already we learned angiosperm plants is a flowering plants. These all are angiosperm groups of family plants flower. Now we are going to see about salient features of angiosperm. Vascular tissue is well developed. Already we learned what is a vascular tissue. Xylem and phloem is a vascular tissue. Here vascular tissue is well developed means xylem and phloem is well developed in angiosperm group of family. Flowers are produced instead of corn. Then the oval remains enclosed in the ovary. Already we said angiosperm family closed seed family. So here enclosed the ovary in the means of seeds also closed. Then pollen tube help in fertilization. So water is not essential for fertilization. Last time we study about the amphibians of plant kingdom. They are very need to water because of fertilization, but here not need to fertilization because it is present pollen tube. Then double fertilization is present in angiosperm group of family. Angiosperms groups of family plants classified based on cotyledons. There are two types. One is dicotyledons and another one is monocotyledons. Dicotyledons plants have two cotyledons and monocotyledons plants have single cotyledons. See that the differentiate between the two plants. Now we are going to see about dicotyledons plants. Morphological features. First, reticulate venation. Then second one is, already we see two cotyledons. Third one is taproot system. Flowers tetrameres or pentomeres. Tricolpate pollen in present. Then anatomical features, vascular bundles are arranged in the form of a ringed stem. Then vascular bundle are open. Secondary growth is present here. Now we are going to see about monocotyledons plants. Here parallel venation, single cotyledons, fibrous root system. That taproot system, here fibrous root system. Then monocolpate pollen is present. Then anatomical feature is vascular bundles are scattered in the stem. Then vascular bundles are closed. Then third, secondary growth is absent. That secondary growth is present, but here secondary growth is absent. While studying, you compare it between two. That only you will be study easily. Okay. Now we are going to throw from first slide to last slide. First of all, we study gymnosperm. Gymnosperm is a nacre seed producing plant. The term of gymnosperm taken from Greek. Then this is a meaning of gymnosperm, next seed producing plant. Then this is a evergreen plant and erect plant. Then it's have a limited growth of branches and also unlimited growth of branches. And leaves are dimorphic, foliage and scale leaves are present here. Then gymnosperms groups of family give beneficial in commercially. Most of the plant used the whole plant and most of the plant produce oil. This oil help to used to perfume. Then next angiosperm family. Angiosperm family is a flowering plant. Then its a salient feature is it's a vascular tissue is well developed. Vascular tissue is xylem and phloem. Then it's a two types. One is dicotyledon. Then another one is monocotyledon. Dicotyledon plants have two cotyledons. Then monocotyledon plants have single cotyledons. Then now is a homework time. Study and write two times difference between gymnosperm and angiosperm and economical importance of angiosperm. And table 2.4 you go through it. Okay, thank you students.